Hello guys, how are you? I hope so. Now we are going to talk about the Ford Ranger hydrogen conversion can be very expensive, but before I have to ask you to subscribe and leave your like, let's go to the video. Towards the end of July, Australian company H2X Global announces its return with a T6 Ford Ranger-based hydrogen fuel cell EV called the Warrego. It looks like all systems are a go for the emissions-free truck, and now pricing has been revealed courtesy of Australia's car sales. According to the publication, the H2X Warrego will start at $139,000 for the base 66 variant. The mid-variant Warrego 90 will sell $172,000, while the top-spec 90XR will be asking for a whopping $183,000. Of note, these prices include shipping fees once deliveries begin in April 2022. Car sales reports that H2X is claiming more than 250 units have already been ordered locally, as well as outside the land down under. It isn't clear whether these are actual orders or the limited pre-order launch offer from the Warrego's microsite. The offer, which closes on November 1, 2021, doesn't come with an upfront fee, but saves your spot at the demo happening in the same month. The exclusive Warrego website also lists the initial specs of the FCEV truck variants. The top-spec 90XR is touted to come with a 121 horsepower, 90 kilowatts, fuel cell peak power, plus a 295 HP or 220 kilowatts motor and a 134 HP or 100 kilowatts supercapacitor. Torque is rated at 258 pound-feet or 350 Newton-meters, with a 2,500 kilogram or 5,512 pound towing capacity. Meanwhile, the Australia-developed T6 Ranger is about to get a next-generation revamp by the end of the year. The Blue Oval has already teased the model with a firm announcement that it will be revealed by the end of the year. It will become available in showrooms, most likely in ASEAN and Australian markets, by 2022. While the teased midsize truck was still under wrap in the teaser, our recent spy shots show some hint on its design, including an inevitable peek at its interior coming from an Everest prototype. So that's it guys, comment what you think of this article and don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.